morning, sir. I am Viren Singh Sikarwar and my subject is Maths. Today we will discuss about decimal expansion. Before start my topic, I will ask some question to student to check previous knowledge is related to decimal expansion. So my first question is, what is rational number? A student said it can be expressed in the form of PYQ. It can be expressed in the form of PYQ and Q is not equal to 0. And my reaction is very good. And after that, my next question is, what is irrational number? So other student said that it cannot be expressed in the form of PYQ. Can not be expressed in the form of PYQ and Q is not equal to 0. So my reaction is very good. And after that, my question is, what is terminating decimal? So all the students are in silent mode, and after that my topic start decimal expansion. So basically there are three types of decimal expansion. There are three types of decimal expansion. So first is terminating decimal. So first is terminating and second is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal and third is non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating non-repeating decimal. So let me discuss an example of terminating decimal. Example is 20 is divided by 8. So we will start this solution. 20 is divided by 8. So 8 1 the 8 and 8 8 into 2 16, 8 into 2 16, 20 minus 16 it is equal to 4, and after that we will take decimal. So यहाँ पर 0 आ जाएगा. 8 into 5 40, 40 minus 40 0. So basically in this solution our remainder becomes 0 after some steps. Remainder becomes 0 after some steps. And next point is non-terminating decimal. So non-terminating decimal is, let me discuss an example of non-terminating repeating decimal. Example is 10 is divided by 3. 10 is divided by 3. So we will start this solution. 10 is divided by 3. So 3 into 3 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. After that we will take decimal. So यहाँ पर 0 आ जाएगा. 3 into 3 9. Again 10 minus 9 it is equal to 1. Decimal है यहाँ पर. So again 0 repeat. 3 into 3 9. 10 minus 9 it is equal to 1. So basically in this quotient 3 is again and again repeat. So it can be said that 3.3 bar. Bar is digits or group of digits repeats periodically. Bar is digit group of digits repeats periodically. So basically it can be said that never becomes 0 in this solution. Remainder becomes not 0 and again repeat and repeat. So my last point is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So let me discuss an example of non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Example is pi. Pi is an irrational number and it is value of 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7. So we will start this divide 22 upon 7. 7 into 3 21. 22 minus 21 it is equal to 1. After that we will take decimal. So basically यहाँ पर फिर 0 आ जाएगा. 7 into 1 7. 10 minus 7 3. Decimal है, so it becomes 0. 7 into 4 28. 30 minus 28 it is equal to 2. Decimal है जीरो आ जाएगा। 7 इंटू 2 14, 20 minus 14 it is equal to 6। अगेन डेसिमल है तो 0। 7 इंटू 8 56, 60 minus 56 it is equal to 4। Basically it can be said that a remainder becomes not zero. Remainder becomes not zero, and it is never zero and nor repeat. Remainder never zero nor repeat. Okay, thank you sir, thank you.